earn $1.60 when you watch Google Ads. If he views a Google ad 10 times, he can earn more than $16. And ordinary people like you and me earn more than $2, $5, or even $7 per minute by watching Google Ads. Like this video and start from the first step. You can visit this new website to watch her website ads on Google and earn money by watching ads. We will publish the name of this site immediately. But as you can see, this site has already paid its users over $200,000. They have safe, transparent, and sustainable systems. This website is trustworthy. Once you get there, click where it says Sign In, create a username, create a strong password, enter your email address in those two fields, and click I'm a robot. Check No, and check I agree. Terms of service. Then just click on the Create Account button. This website is completely free to use and available from anywhere in the world. This means that whether you are from the US, UK, Canada, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Philippines, or any other country around the world, you can earn money from this website. But for future videos, please comment your country name. That way I can create more videos for you and others in your country. So, as soon as you log into your account, the ad will appear and you will have to wait until the timer reaches 0. You will then see two options. Select Proceed to PTC Sharing and the dashboard will appear. So the name of this website is ptcshare.com and the dashboard looks like this. Here you will see some ads and here you will see your achievements and the bonus you get for watching 50 ads. Then scroll down a bit and you'll see the recently added ads you can watch and the money you can earn. Please do your best until the end. I'll show you a bonus trick that will help you make 10 times more money than other people's girlfriends. Step 2 is to make money with Google Ads. You can check your BAP points here and new accounts will receive 100 BAP points as a sign-up bonus. And if you earn 80 cents for 30 seconds, you can earn 1.60 cents for every minute you watch these Google website ads. If you watch any of these 8 activation ads, you will earn 5 BAP points for each one. Now, select the above icon and click the confirmation button next to it. Then the countdown will begin. Typically, 15 seconds. When the countdown reaches 0, you will be awarded 5 BAP points. You can now close the advertising window for this Google website and return to the PTC Share paid advertising page. Just select the icon. And instead of clicking Close Window, just select the Next Ad button here and you'll see the next Google website ad. You can collect all 40 BAP points at once by simply repeating this process. Once you've earned all 40 BAP points, step 3 is to start earning money from Google Ad Views. For this, you should pay attention to the section Earn Money by Watching Paid Ads. As you can see, you can earn $1.66 when you watch a paid Google website ad, over $1.20 when you watch his second Google ad, 80 cents when you watch his third ad, and so on. If you watch all 12 of these Google paid ads, you'll earn over $6.86 in total. But when you're just starting out, you can expect to earn 10 cents, 8 cents, or just 1 cent for each Google ad you display, depending on your country. Click on the section that says Show Paid Ads and Google's website ads will appear. Again, all you need to do is select the icon listed in the box above. The money will then be credited to your account. Now you can close the window. If you want, you can also watch the following Google ads here to get her entire $6.86 at once. As you can see, you will get $7.20 back when you complete this offer. Here's your first bonus tip to increase your profits by 10x. Click on the Earnings section again and you'll see more ways to make money online with this website. Answering different offers, taking surveys, watching videos, etc. But today, we want to earn money by watching Google ads. So choose the Click Grid method. This will take you to this page where you will see a grid of 100 squares. Here, you can earn up to $10 or $100,000 in BAP points that will help you run high-paying Google ads. In addition, each time you click on these squares, you may see an ad on the Google website, and each time you click on the grid, you may be credited with cash or BP points. But the problem is, you only get 20 chances a day to click on this grid, and sometimes you don't get any credit when you do. Let me show you an example of how this works. For example, let's click on one of the squares. Let's click on the square here. This will take you to the Google website display, similar to the one shown earlier. Again, you need to first click on the icon above. Now select the icon and click Confirm. A countdown will begin and last from 5 to 15 seconds. You will then be awarded cash, his BAP points, or even no points at all. So when the countdown reaches 0, you can click play again to return to the grid. This way, you can earn up to $10 or 100,000 BAP points by clicking on the grid 19 more times. If you want to earn more money, select the game option above and you will be redirected to this game page. Here, you will find a variety of games that you can play. For example, in a coin toss game, you must spend at least 25 BP points to play this game. If you win, you get 25 points or 50 BAP points. However, if you lose 25 BAP points. Similarly, there are composite box games where you can just spend 10 BBAP points and get double that. So if you're from a top country like the US or New Zealand, you can earn more every time you watch a Google ad. Tier 3 countries, on the other hand, receive a relatively small amount of money each time their ad is shown. His second bonus tip for earning 10 times more than others is that you can use his free VPN Chrome extension on your Google Chrome browser. This will help you start seeing high-paying ads in your account right away. Once you have earned at least $1 on PTC Share, in Step 4, you can withdraw your earnings via Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. Unfortunately, PTC Share does not have a PayPal payment withdrawal method, but you can use Payeer instead, as Payeer is available in almost every country in the world. You can also easily withdraw your earnings using Payeer. You can't expect to make $1 million from these sites, but you can expect to make a few bucks. And if you want to see proof of withdrawals from this website, please help us get more than 3,000 likes on this video. Thank you for visiting.